Hello guys, welcome to Ashok DevOps YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Kubernetes in MacBook and practice the Kubernetes and pods in an easy way. So first you need to install Docker for the respective OS version. So I already installed Docker. So let me open. So in the Docker, go to settings, and in the Kubernetes, you need to enable the Kubernetes. It will take few minutes to enable Kubernetes. Once it is done, you can run the Kubernetes commands in your local laptop. So let's jump into the terminal and write some files. So I have opened the Kubernetes files, new folder. In this folder, I don't have any files. So let me write the files. So before writing the files, we need to install extension Kubernetes. I already installed this extension. You can install this extension so that you can write Kubernetes files, and it will show the auto suggestion for the Kubernetes. So let's write the Kubernetes code. Create a new file. Name it as pod.yaml. So if you type directly the pod, it will automatically show the template for the pod. It is already created the pod definition. We need to mention the name and the port number. So I have mentioned a port number. Our pod is ready. We can directly apply the configuration. So kubectl apply -f pod.yaml. So pod is created. You can also see this pod in the extensions. If you have enabled Kubernetes and Docker, you will show this Docker desktop. In this, you can go to workloads, pods. Here you can see pods. I have some pods which are running. If you see here, the app is not started perfectly because the image name is wrong. So we need to update the image name. Next. Save the file and update again. kubectl apply pod.yaml. Now refresh the page. The app is running now. So this way you can directly create pods. If you want to create a deployment, you can create new file, deploy.yaml, and in the code you can directly select to deploy template. It will automatically show all the fields. We need to change the field. I am changing it to my app2, and in the image I am giving nginx, and in the port I am giving the 8. So you can apply this configuration. kubectl apply -f deployment.yaml. So this deployment also created. Let me check in the extension deployments, refresh. My app2 is created and it is running. So this way you can directly create pods and YAMLs using Kubernetes extension in a easy way. You can also create services, replica sets, and if you want to add anything extra here, you can enter. So for me it is option escape. For Windows users, it will be the control space. Select property and mention the replicas. This way you can add other fields also. If you don't know the configuration, enter and type command space in Windows and option escape in Mac. It will show the suggestions for you. If you want to have a service, you can create service.yaml and service. So this way you can create almost all the Kubernetes objects using this extension. Secret also you can create. Pod you can create. replica set, you can create deployment. Okay. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.